Hey guys, it's Michael. As you can see in the title of the video, I'm giving each of you $14.50. Well, actually I lied, because a lot of you are going to be receiving way more than $14.50, and some of you may even receive up to $1,650. But the one thing is, the money isn't going to be in cold, hard cash. It's going to come in the form of free stocks from an investment app called Webull. So today what we're going to be talking about is the Webull investing app. I've been getting a lot of questions about investing, how to invest in the stock market, what are stocks. So in today's video, I'm going to go over exactly how to start investing and how to get $14.50 immediately. You don't have to do anything but follow the steps in this video. But before we get started, you need to do one thing, and that is to smash the like button. Without that, we're not going to be able to give away $14.50 to as many people. So if you guys smash the like button, we'll be able to get more people $14.50. So anyways, let's get right into it and first go over what is the stock market, what is this Webull investing app that you're talking about. So essentially, when you buy stocks, you're buying ownership in a company, partial ownership. And the stock market, prices fluctuate daily based on what people think value of a company is in the future. Stock prices today don't represent the value of the company right now, but they are projecting what people think the company will be valued in the future. And you can invest using any type of app. There's E-Trade, Ameritrade, Robinhood, Webull, there's Charles Schwab. There's so many apps where you could invest your money and get started very easily within a couple of minutes. But today we're going to talk about an app called Webull. And Webull is a commission-free trading app. It's similar to Robinhood, but it's better for intermediate or advanced investors who want to be able to do a little bit more research and maybe analyze the charts a little bit more. So, okay, with the basics covered, all you guys care about is how do I get my free money? How am I going to get $14.50? So on Webull right now, they have a promotion running that when you sign up for the app using my link down below or any referral link that you get 2 free stocks. The first one is just for you opening up the account, and it'll be valued between $2.50 to $250. And that's simply by you signing up and creating an account. And the second stock you'll get is when you deposit $100 into your account. And you'll get a stock valued between $12 and $1,400. So a lot of you may be thinking, it's only $14.50. Well, yes, but that's free money. As soon as you get these stocks, you could sell them and close your Webull account if you want to. Or you could start investing and watch my videos more to learn more about dividend investing, value, growth, just about the stock market in general. But if you want, you could close your account as well and just take the money out. So a lot of you may be thinking, well, you're not going to get the $1,400 stock. Well, if enough of you watch this, I bet that a couple of you are going to end up getting a $1,400 stock. So when looking at the promotion, let me go over exactly how likely you are to get each value stock. So in order to get a stock valued between $1,000 and $1,400, you have a 1 in 10,000 chance. For stocks between $100 and $200, you have a 1 in 1,111 chance. And for stocks between $30 and $100, you have a 1 in 52 chance. Everyone else is probably most likely going to get a stock between $12 and $30. So either way, this is free money. All you have to do is sign up for the Webull investing app using the link down below. If you guys are wondering how to start investing, what's with the stock market, well then please be sure to subscribe to my channel where we talk about stock market, investing, and how to make money in general. Let's try and get this video to as many people as possible so everyone you know can get a minimum of $14.50. It may not sound like a lot, but it's free money, and you could get anywhere up to $1,650. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to use the link down below to get your 2 free stocks. I know a lot of you may be thinking, well, if I use your link, Michael, you're going to get a free stock. Yes, but you don't have to use the link if you don't want to. You just won't get your free stocks. Please be sure to like the video down below, leave a comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.